Today I'm going to show you how to customize your homepage in Razor's Edge WebView, the unified solution, I think they've started calling it. From the homepage, you have a pretty simple customize page button, and here you can select different widgets that Razor's Edge or that Blackbaud has released. You can pick any number of these and update those. I'll go into those in another video. My favorite is a quick link. You can add a quick link, and one of my favorite things to do is to add links to queries or reports. Here's a method for adding your query. As you can see, I'm looking for my favorite queries, but somehow or another I changed the category so it doesn't show up, and it defaults to general. So if this were in a different category, it would not show up there. But what I can do is open the query, copy the link. I'm going to copy the link to the results. Go back to my home page. I'm going to add a quick link. And here is the link. This is my new constituents query. So that now that it is done, I will save it. Then I can decide where do I want that quick link to go. It should be over here on the right. Over here on the quick links now, it shows up at the top of the line above the recently accessed constituent records. And here is my new constituents query. When I click on it, because I shared a link to the results, they're going to show up right here in my query. This query is still saved as a favorite. This just means one less click for me when I go from the home page, if that's a query I use often. You can do the same thing with a report or any other specific web page within Razor's Edge or to another link. If you want your Gmail or something else that you might have bookmarked but want to access it quickly from here, Maps is a popular one to do too if you want to look at it there. And that's how you update your homepage on Razor's Edge NXT.